Hello, welcome to my channel. It's Esther here again, and today I am back to simplify another tech tool for you. If your Google Slides images have been looking like what I have on my screen, they do not match the background of the slide, then there is room for great improvement. You have to work on that. You have to improve that and even change that. So today I'm going to be showing you two tools that you can use to remove background from a particular image so that it takes on a transparent form, PNG, and then you can insert it into your slide where it can take the form or the background of your slide. The first tool is called Remove.bg. Remove.bg is the web address. Now, once you open up the Remove Background homepage, that is where we are on now. You go to Upload Image. There are two ways of uploading your image. It's either you click on Upload Image and you choose from your computer, or you drag and drop into this open box. I prefer the second method because it's faster, but let's use the first method of clicking on Upload Image, and we upload our image. I'm going to choose the image of the dog. Open. Now it's uploading. Depending on the size of your image, it might take some time to upload the image and convert it to PNG and remove the background. Now the image is transparent. As you can see, the white background is no more there, and we can proceed to download the image. Here is download. The PNG has now been downloaded to my computer. I can use it how I want. The name of the second tool is erase.bg. You follow the same process. Upload the image or drag and drop the image. But I prefer Remove.bg because it doesn't limit the size of image that you can upload. Erase.bg would give you a resolution of up to 5000 x 5000 px, which at times you would have images that are larger than that. So you might want to use Remove.bg for larger images. So I'm going to proceed to upload my image. Hopefully it's not larger than the resolution. Oh great, the format is perfect. So I'm going to download the image now. The background has been removed, as you can see. This is the original version with the white background, and this is the background removed. Go ahead to download the original size. Here is my downloaded version of the image. What we want to do now is to return to our slides and insert these images that have no background. We are back on the slide, so now I'm going to proceed to insert the images. You can either insert from the insert option or you drag and drop. I prefer to drag and drop because it's faster. The first image dropped. And the second image dropped. A quick comparison between these two images. I think the second one without the background is more pleasing to the eyes, right? While the first one is a bit odd. The same thing for the second slide. The second image is more pleasing to the sight, while the first one also appears odd. Now I will delete the image I don't want from the slide and centralize the one that is pleasing to me. That's it. This looks great, looks better. And the dog looks better. Now that you know how to remove backgrounds from images, do let me know how you will be using this tool. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new tutorials. Thank you!